I not expect today I will go to Walking Street. You know, only Friday and Saturday I go to Walking Street. Very tough now. Georgi, better another side. Take a look, it's popular already. Yes. Kokomas empty, don't have.
Oh, vlogger ah? Vlogger ah?
What?
Oh, vlogger ah?
Ага. Dollar 55.50 now. 55.50. Excuse me. Little bit hot today.
Can't deny, you got a vibe, and I need it now.
So how are you want to walk? This way. You don't know road? We can try.
No, to where?
To your apartment? We can try. Same, yeah, JJ. Rooster everywhere. Rooster. No, your apartment don't have rooster. It's good. Also apartment for rent. Studio type. Maybe someone want. I don't know how much. This is church. San Lorenzo. Bed space, take a look, so many girls here. Georgi. Ladies bed space. It's only for ladies. I think so many girls inside. It's not cheap. What is? Papaya have. And garbage so many. here 5540. 5540, okay. Интересно. А how much charcoal? 15 peso. Okay, thank you. In Barangay 10 peso. 5 peso more here. It's okay, it's a tourist place. Here a little bit high price. It's not Vietnam. Before, you remember, here restaurant, Korean maybe. This is Chinese restaurant before. Chinese. K-Mart. Oh, someone already built. Maybe new hotel. Wait, I will ask first. Hello, do you know this is for hotel? Hotel or not? Don't know.
Commercial building.
It's for sale.
No, rent.
It's for rent only. They clean only for rent, yeah?
No. Big commercial building.
Big building. Oh, very good. Because need same. Okay, thank you. It's good. Maybe hotel. Maybe I don't know what. He not say, but he said big building. They will build big building. It's good. Interesting. How much here? How much one chicken? 250. Oh, good price. Same before. Price is good. Okay, thank you. 250 in my barangay. 245 in my barangay. Same. Maybe start soon rain, so I need to go home. Because take a look, already cloud, dark. I park my car near apartment Georgi. I not expected today I will walk in Walking Street. I just, I think I helped Georgi to update his visa. Because we've been in Market Mall today. And he update visa for 2 months. For 2 months he update. How much you paid for visa?
2,830.
2,830. It's good price for 2 months. Take a look, they clean also here. Maybe also for sale. But I think not allowed to remove this tree. I think not allowed. Shortcut? Yeah? Dragon. What is this? Dragon Takayaki Cafe. Dragon Takayaki Cafe.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow will open.
I think yes. June 15th.
Okay. Tomorrow maybe you go. Candy Towers. Also this hotel maybe built. I don't know. You don't know, Georgi, what way you do it? I know this is small store is very popular because so many foreigners live in this area, so many apartments. But road is not good. Only road. I hope, Georgi, you not walk here at night time.
No, night
No.
time.
And you put your phone inside the pocket, yes? But why you don't want to buy some small bag, for example? Not comfortable for you, or you don't like?
Yes, I don't like.
You don't. If you like, I can give to you free. I have bag, I not use.
No.
Okay. Because some of subscribers asking why Georgi don't want. If you don't want, you don't want. Of course, it's depend of you.
Because I want my hands.
Free. Backpack. Same me. Take a look, I have backpack. Also free. But you walk only very close from the walking street. What way do it? Take a look. Oh, also. Maybe short time hotel because room is. I will ask first. Georgi, wait. Excuse me, this is built for hotel or not? This is hotel? Hotel? No hotel. House. It's very good.
Little bit.
Well, Filipino house here, yeah? Okay, good. Okay, thank you.
Hey, you blogger?
Yes.
Where?
It's my life, Philippines. Filipina.
You blogger in Philippines?
Yes, Pampanga.
Where? Where in Pampanga?
Mabalacat. I am from Mabalacat. So it's its own house, it's not for hotel, it's only own house built.
Yes, one door. 900 square meters.
Oh, very good.
But it's not up and down, only...
Only like this. It's good. Okay, thank you.
Doors, plastic man, plastic cover.
Okay, thank you for information. This is also, take a look, this is condo for sale. For sale, don't have people. All for sale. This is Georgi place. Georgi Sweets name. Georgi, it's your name. Your place, your apartment. I said need to change. Georgi Sweets. Okay, you wait, you same. The Adidas, but Adidas is good. You can faster dry. Okay, Georgi, I will go to home because already 5.
Yes, I also.
Guys, thank you for watching. Next my video from Walking Street only on Friday. Not every day from Walking Street. It's only today. I've been because I helped Georgi go to the Market Mall to update visa. But I not expect I will go to Walking Street. I always have camera. I put camera here. That's why I take video. Okay, thank you for watching.